Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and part 3 of the TradingView series. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you quickly how you can connect your broker to the TradingView platform. Now, TradingView itself is not a brokerage, so if you are wanting to trade directly on the platform, you will have to connect your broker. As you can see here at the top, there are a list of a couple brokers. However, they do offer plenty more. So let's just get straight into it, and we'll do this by loading up a chart. So if we scroll down to the Forex markets, what we can do is click this button down here to launch up a chart. So once we're on this chart, what you want to do is scroll down to the trading panel. Now, if you can't see your broker here, don't worry. If you click on the All Brokers tab, a list of them will come up and hopefully yours is here. Unfortunately, if you are trading with a prop firm such as myself, I personally do use FTMO. They are yet to kind of support FTMO and prop firms on the TradingView platform for connecting to their program. So if you are trading with a prop firm, you may as well turn this video off right now if that's what the answer you're looking for. However, if you are a beginner, which is this series is kind of aimed at beginners, what you can do is load up the paper trading with TradingView. That's one option. And essentially what you can do once you're on here is demo trade. Now, you can either click the sell and the buy button to enter a trade, or if you right click on the chart, go towards trade, you can kind of create an order here just like so. And as you can see, you can have a market execution, pick your take profit, stop loss, risk percentage, buy limit, buy stop, and kind of, place a trade this way. As it's Sunday, the market is currently closed right now, so we won't be able to actually get a trade placed. However, that is the exact way you would want to do that. Now, if you wanted to connect your broker, you can just log out of the paper trading. I know a few people use IC markets. I personally don't have a live account. Like I said, I trade using prop firms. However, if you connect to IC markets, you can see here you have your login details, and I have a demo account set up with them from a while ago now, to be honest. But all you'll have to do is it will give you the option for your account, and you sync that to TradingView, and it's as simple as that. Like I said, because the market's closed, it won't probably allow me to create an order at the moment. However, that's exactly how you would want to kind of connect your broker and then go on to place a trade using TradingView. Now, this helps because you won't have to switch between your broker site and then your TradingView site. And it really is as simple as that, to be honest. So hopefully this video has been helpful if you've been struggling to figure out how you can connect your broker to TradingView. And like I said, unfortunately for the prop firm space at the moment, it isn't really supported with TradingView to kind of connect your broker, such as FTMO, onto the chart. However, if you've not seen part 1 and part 2, I go into a little bit more detail about the TradingView platform as a whole and kind of what it is. And then I go into a little bit to talk about the tools, the indicators, the time frames, how to set alerts. So yeah, this series is really aimed for beginners and if you're getting started out using the platform. But nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to catching up with you all in the next one. Take care, everyone.